Introducing Creative Cuts in the Woods layering die set. On the back, you're going to see the inks and the cardstocks used to create the images shown above. You'll also see step by step how to layer together your pieces. Here is a look at the dies. There are 16 included in your set. On the front of the cover, you'll see each individual piece shown in the color you're going to use later. At the bottom, you see an image of what you could possibly create with this set. Let's go ahead. We're going to get started with our first piece, which is Sand Dunes, piece 1. We'll use the keyhole to align piece 2, which is milk chocolate, to this. I'm using liquid glue to make sure I have a little wiggle room to align my shapes. This means I do have to make sure that it adheres well, so you see me pressing down to make sure I get a good seal. We'll use the keyhole to align piece 3, which is pumpkin pie, another beautiful part of this tree. I'm also using tweezers to help me align my pieces. Piece 4 is going to use the keyhole. This is vanilla cream. In the cardstock, I'm using my tweezers to make sure I get a nice layered look. Next, we're going to use the outline piece to cover up that keyhole so nobody knows that we had help in layering this together. Again, vanilla cream. We'll get started layering our flower that looks like a T. We'll layer piece 2 on piece 1 using that outline. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the flower center. We'll then use an outline shape to cover that flower center so they don't know we had the T to align it. Using the outline, we'll put the final piece, which is done with mid-yellow, on the flower center. On our second flower, the snowman, will align piece 2 on top of piece 1. We'll bring in our first flower center piece and align that with the snowman. This is the outline shape to cover up the snowman. And then we'll add our detail to our flower center there right on the right-hand side. Next, we'll move on to the stem with the little flowers, and we just follow that outline on top of the stem to add that piece. For our rock, we'll begin with piece 1. At the bottom, we'll align piece 2. At the bottom, we'll align piece 3. And we have the final piece 4 that we're going to align at the bottom. And this is going to give us the beautiful dimension in our rock. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Creative Cuts in the Woods layering die set. Coming up, we have some amazing inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Creative Cuts in the Woods layering die set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye!